So today I'm going to be doing a what I eat in a day to stay healthy and to stay fit. This is going to be vegan, of course, because I am vegan. A lot of people have been requesting this recently. I'm sorry, I look like a train wreck again. I just woke up. It's 11:10. I know, my sleep schedule is very off right now. I'm not wearing any makeup because I plan to go to the gym today. With that being said, I'm going to be doing a vlog with me, what I eat in a day video. I thought I would do kind of like a talk through it style and everything. I've seen Miss Remy Ashton actually do a ton of these. I know she's on like a health journey, health kick, everything like that. I've been keeping up with her so much and she's honestly been like really inspiring me to just keep doing it too. As I've been getting dressed and ready for the day, really random, but I keep a water bottle near me. This one has been the one recently, as much as I can in my room, because when I'm in my room I don't drink water, so I like to keep this with me at all times because it'll remind me I need to drink water. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Subscribe if you guys aren't already. I make these types of videos. I make beauty, health, lifestyle, just a ton of fun different videos on my channel. Videos for everyone. May look like a lot. I usually put granola in it. They're out of granola, so I can't use that. Also, these kiwis are really cool. We have regular kiwis and we also have like these like yellow ones, and I think they're called like sun gold kiwis. They're really good. I really put every single fruit that I have in my smoothie. It just tastes good to me. I love it. It's a great way to get in all your vitamins in the morning just by eating one meal. So this is definitely gonna keep me full for now, but I'm gonna get hungry later. So I'll show you guys later what I snack on throughout the day. Okay guys, so it is 11:50. I know it's kind of a little late to be eating breakfast, but again, I am 16. I go to high school 5 days out of the week and wake up at 6 a.m. I was sleeping until like 11 o'clock. Probably ate around 11:30, 11:45. I am currently on the way to meet Anna. Okay, don't wave at me. I think it's so rude when I wave to people and they don't wave back. So I'm meeting her at All Vegan, All Natural. It's kind of like a smoothie acai place, but they also make salads and stuff like that. Probably gonna grab a little something to go hang with her for a little bit. And also, ring dance season is coming up, guys. All of my friends in my friend group have already pretty much found their dresses or know where they're getting them from or ordered them from somewhere already. Have no idea what I want, what style of dress I want or anything like that. So we are going to a prom dress store. So I got the kale and almond butter pasta salad. It looks so good. Sipping on Zen. I got this to go so I can eat it later because I'm not that hungry right now. Dress number 1. I like the back of this one. I'm gonna show. Quick.
Because we couldn't even go ice skating out. Yeah, I think.
Alright, so I'm gonna have my lunch now. This looks so good and I'm so excited to eat it. I'm done with dress shopping. Oh my god. Alright, I'm gonna eat the entire thing.
Oh, look how good this looks.
I just ate this entire thing. It was so good. I definitely recommend it if you can find it anywhere. Watching the Ace family, as always. I love this family. Chill for a little bit, let my food digest, drink more water. I'm gonna try and hit the gym. It's about 1:45 right now. It is 2:37. I am on the way out to go to the gym. I'm wearing these black Nike shorts along with my Nikes. Don't know what they're called. This black tank top from Carrie Underwood brand from Dick's. So wish me luck at the gym. It's honestly so nice outside too, which is like really weird because we just had school off. Recently I've been really trying to push myself and going to the gym like almost 6 to 7 days a week, as much as I can. But when I don't have a class, it's so hard for me to go to the gym on my own because like I feel like I just don't get as much done. It's not true because I do get stuff done. I just feel like not accomplished because I feel like I'm not doing it the right way. I don't know. You guys know what I mean? I'm really working on my arms. That's something I'm really focusing on, which I probably shouldn't be. I probably should just be focusing on my stomach because I really need to focus on that. I just have always wanted really big muscular arms, so. And we are back from the gym. Got a banana. I'm gonna sit here and relax for a second before I start driving. 3:45. I was there for about an hour. I'm so tired. I feel so good. Okay, this is like my after workout snack. Every single time I leave the gym, they always give out, I don't know what about their bananas, but these bananas are so good and I always want to ask them where they get them. The only other place where I really like bananas is from Whole Foods. I think they're the Costa Rica bananas, but these ones are so much better. I'm absolutely obsessed with these bananas. This is like my after workout snack. I love eating fruit after working out. I just got out of the shower. I always put my hair back like this and I feel like I look like Kim Kardashian or someone that like slicks back their hair a lot. My Victoria's Secret robe, this thing is the comfiest thing ever and I highly recommend it. So I have my Love Lettuce mask on from Lush. Best face mask ever. But I'm kind of getting hungry even though I just had a banana. It doesn't really fill me up. So I'm probably gonna go downstairs, like nuts or something. Now I'm having banana chips. 4:30. I can't tell if I like these or not. They're good, and I was really craving them. I really can't tell if I like the taste of it or not. They're called organic crunchy banana chips. Before I go, I want to make dinner so I don't like snack on anything unhealthy while I'm there. This bread, I've never tried this before. Usually I have like the Eureka bread, which I love, but we're out of this one. So I'm going to be doing 2 slices of these. They're only 80 calories each. These avocados really need to be eaten, so I'm going to use my resources and eat an avocado. I would usually do peanut butter banana toast, but I can have that for breakfast tomorrow. Also, if I do get hungry while I'm there, I'm going to grab a Cliff Bar because I'm in love with these recently. Not only do I love Cliff Bars, but these ones are peanut butter filled and I love peanut butter. So if you guys have these at your Whole Foods or Target or wherever you go to get these and they have peanut butter filled ones, you have to try this one. It's amazing. So I'm gonna pack one of these in my bag just in case I do get hungry. I don't snack on anything too unhealthy. So usually save that for my midnight snack, but really top it off with some salt and pepper. This stuff is really good. This avocado was perfect. Thank God I opened it tonight, otherwise it definitely would have gone bad overnight. Waiting for my toast to cook, almost ready. And this is gonna be yummy. Now, this isn't what I would usually have for dinner, but I mean, it looks really good. So I'm gonna have it anyways. I really like it, it's yummy. Okay guys, so I'm gonna call it a night. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I got back from babysitting. I'm gonna go to bed soon, do some homework, just get it over with. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this What I Eat in a Day. I hope it inspires you just a little bit to eat healthy and better lifestyle. So I love you guys. I hope you guys will subscribe. Follow me on all my social medias. I'd love to have you guys a part of my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.